Brand new construction with a custom one-level home on the end of the street. 3 bedrooms/2 bathrooms, great open floor plan that is very light and bright, approximately 1,553 square feet plus a double attached garage, gourmet kitchen with custom cabinets, granite countertops, island, nice appliances, pantry, great master suite with walk-in closet and nice bathroom, laminate flooring throughout. Great room has vaulted ceilings and a ductless heat pump, electric wall heaters in the bedrooms, covered patio in the back and fenced yard. This won't last long. Call today to see it.